Hello everyone. Today, I will show you how to pin post in Facebook and Android. Let's get started. First things first, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Now, click on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner. Then click on See Your Profile button. Now swipe down to see your posts. Then find the post you want pinned to Facebook. Once you have found the post, click on the three dots button. Then click on Pin Post button. Now you can see my pinned post. If you add some other post, then it will be automatically unpinned. As you can see, the second post is pinned and first one is unpinned. If you want to unpin the post, click on the three dots button, then click on Unpin Post. As you can see, the post is unpinned. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel to motivate us. Thanks for watching.